Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to set up bed frame with Headboard. Firstly, place two side rails parallel to each other on the floor. This sets up the basic structure of your bed frame. If your bed frame has feet or wheels, attach them to the side rails. This ensures the bed is at proper height and can be moved if needed. Align the pre-drilled holes in the side arms with the side rails and secure them using provided screws or bolts. Your bed frame should start to take the shape at this stage. Some frames allow adjustments for different mattresses size, like twin, full, queen, or king size. Adjust accordingly or skip this step if your frame is non-adjustable. Now place the center support beam in the middle, connecting the side arms. This beam provides extra stability and prevents mattress sagging. Secure the headboard on the side rails using screws or Allen key. Ensure it's tightly secured to avoid wobbling. Ensure all bolts and screws are tight. Make sure the frame is level and sturdy, and place your mattress on the frame and enjoy your newly assembled bed. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.